Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to DaVinci Resolve for Fairlight audio post, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Blackmagic design website. In the top navigation menu, locate and click on the Support tab. Once on the Support page, scroll down until you find the Downloads section. In the Downloads section, look for DaVinci Resolve. You will see options for different versions of DaVinci Resolve. Choose the version that suits your needs, keeping in mind that Fairlight features are included in both the free and studio editions. If you opt for the free version, click on the download button for that version. You will be redirected to the purchase page where subscription options are available. Review the subscription plans provided, which typically include monthly and yearly options. Select the plan that best fits your budget and requirements. After choosing a plan, click on the Add to Cart button. Once in your cart, review your order and then click on Checkout. Fill in the required billing and payment details. Make sure to provide an email address where you can receive confirmation and updates. You may also have the option to create an account for easier future access. After entering your information, click on the Complete Purchase button. You will receive a confirmation email, along with your purchase receipt. Download the DaVinci Resolve Studio installer from the link provided in the email. Run the installer once the download is complete. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, launch DaVinci Resolve. When prompted, log in using the account details you created during the purchase process. You can now access all the Fairlight audio post features available in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Explore the interface and familiarize yourself with the audio tools. Start your audio post-production work with the powerful features Fairlight offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.